So I'm clearing this drain in here. Okay? You coming in here?
Yes.
This summer, soar higher. Reach further and race faster and above and beyond.
What's going on, guys? Straight that drain guy. We're in a janitor room in a building.
Explore the science of life as you
And we got this drain backing up.
Take a space elevator to orbit for a spectacular view of Earth. Design your own supersonic plane, then race it against your friends. And above and beyond. Book your visit today at OntarioScienceCentre.ca. Looking for award-winning entertainment the whole family will love? It's all here on Crave.
Super duper excited!
Watch shows like Sesame Street,
That's a good idea!
Star Trek Prodigy, Starfleet, Welcome Aboard, Craftopia, Polly Pocket, plus movies like Tom and Jerry.
So we're using the K50.
Get together with Crave. Family-friendly kids collection. Now streaming. Subscribe now at Crave.ca.
If you guys are liking this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Thanks a lot.
Hello?
How you doing?
Now must be trying to keep you over there.
What's that?
Sometime I did my dig the washing head and it's floating up
Where?
over there.
What floats up?
Maybe it must be from that. Water.
Up from where?
From the zinc.
The sink? From here? No.
Now. Okay.
Different drain. Why, is your sink plugged now? Is your sink plugged now?
No, it's alright. But I heard something running hard
When?
yesterday and last night. So what I do, I had some water and straight down inside of this. I said I don't know if there's anything trying to escape. Yes.
Basically, it could be that it was partially plugged up. What you want to do, when it's a kitchen sink, right, the problem's going to be the grease in the line, right? Maybe nothing you're doing wrong, could be from up above, right?
Okay.
But what you want to do, you're on the bottom, right? You're going to see it before anybody else. You know what I mean? Because you're the bottom, so if the main drain is plugged up on this line, it's always going to come up your line first, right? So everyone's line comes into yours, right? So what you want to do is hot water on a regular basis, right? Slowly it'll melt down that grease over time. Okay, so if you do your dishes at nighttime, do your dishes, then just let that hot water run for 15-20 minutes, as long as it's not an inconvenience. But you also got to ask yourself, what's more an inconvenience? Running the water, hearing that water run, or hearing that water overflow from your sink because it's backing up?
No, it can't overflow. When my husband comes, he said, what happened? I hear nice inside of the thing and it just bring up like some
And this was when?
soap side yesterday.
Because I know we snaked, or no, the other night I was over on the old 4 line, so not the 10 line. Yeah, I'm not sure. That could have been the drain starting to back up and then it cleared itself out.
Okay, so why do boy? I say what? If there's anything running in boy, I get the water and
So you want to do your part before it backs up, right? So run that hot water every night, and then that should help prevent it, right?
Okay.
If you notice any issues, you're noticing weird sounds, draining slow, backing up, not draining at all, let the management know. We'll come in and clean it out. But I can't clean it out unless I get the orders from them.
I know,
right?
I don't, yeah.
And they won't do it unless there's a problem.
Yeah. Not only how I say do that.
Yeah, no, this was backing up. So you see here, this line actually ties in with the toilet line upstairs. So when the toilet line was backing up, it was coming to here. So we had to clean it out.
Okay, baby.
Okay?
Yeah.
So you have yourself a good weekend, all right?
Yes, sir. These are for these very things that are nice.
What's that?
I say these things that are nice. Just like you.
Have a good night, okay? There you go. Alright. We're gonna let management clean this up. Alright guys, thanks for watching. I really do appreciate it. Again, if you guys liked the video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and leave a comment. I answer all comments. Hopefully it's not held, but if I usually get around to checking those as well. Until next time, Trogna.